Hello friends, elements of costing session 55, elements of costing, reconciliation of cost and financial accounts, problems on reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. To understand the problems on reconciliation of cost and financial accounts, in this session the students will be able to understand the problems on reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. So reconciliation statement is a statement which shows the reasons for the differences between profits and losses as shown by the cost accounts with that of the profits or losses as shown by the financial accounts. So reasons for the differences in profits: items of financial nature, items shown only in cost accounts, under or over absorption of overheads, valuation of stock, other reasons. So format of the reconciliation statement: profit as per financial accounts, profit as per financial accounts or loss as per cost accounts, or net profit as per cost accounts or loss as per financial accounts. So items add over absorption of overheads in cost accounts, financial incomes credited in financial books only but not in cost accounts, certain items charged only in cost accounts but not in financial accounts, overvaluation of opening stock in cost accounts, undervaluation of closing stock in cost accounts. So problem number 2: the following from the following figures prepare reconciliation statement. Profit as per cost accounts rupees 5000, factory overhead under recovery in cost accounts rupees 3000, selling and administration overhead over recovery in costing rupees 2000, distribution credited in financial books rupees 500, preliminary expenses written off in financial books rupees 6500, opening stock in value in cost accounts 5000, in financial account 4000, difference is 1000, closing stock value in cost books rupees 12000, in financial books 10000, the differences will be 2000, interest credited by the bank not considered in financial accounts and cost accounts rupees 1500. So identify the reasons for differences in cost accounts and financial accounts. Prepare reconciliation statement using the format mentioned in the previous slide. Enter profit as per cost records given in the problem. Add the items as shown in the format. Less the items as shown in the format. At the end, find out profit as per financial accounts. So in this session, problems on reconciliation of cost and financial account is explained.